You're welcome to my channel. My name is Ozie Graphics. Yes, so in today's class I'll be teaching you on how to create a YouTube banner. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do well to subscribe to my channel so you can be getting new video that drops on this channel. So let's head on to how to create a YouTube banner using a pixellab. Pixellab is an application which you can download on your Play Store, but mind you, it is not yet on App Store. It is only on Play Store. The one on App Store is a Canva. So but today I'll teach you on how to use pixellab. Pixellab is a very great editing tool for you to use, and it's very easy to understand. So for today I'll be teaching you using pixellab. So in my next video I'll be teaching you how to use your Canva, using it with your Canva, how to create a YouTube banner with your Canva. So you see something like this, you are going to be creating something like this. You can see it. So that's what we are going to be creating now. So head on to the screen record so you can, it's still saying my voice, yes, so you can understand how it works. Thank you.
Alright, let's head on to our pixellab because that's what I will be using to edit a YouTube banner. So this is my pixellab. So when you enter it, you also have to enter it. You want to do something like this. Something like this, YouTube banner over here. This is what we want to do, something like this. You understand? Can you see this is a YouTube banner? Yes, this is a YouTube banner. Yeah, this is an example of a YouTube banner. So first of all, first thing you need to do, you need to head on to these three dots up here, right? Tap on it. So when you tap on it, so you press image size, then you tap on the custom to set the kind of presets you want. You can see their square, their profile picture, their YouTube channel banner, their YouTube thumbnail, their Facebook cover art, their Google Plus cover, Twitter header size. So we are going for the YouTube channel banner. So when you tap on it, can you see the width? 2560 by 1440 feet. So let's tap OK. So we'll be doing something like this. This one I just have to pin this one over here. Okay, let me make it smaller so I can pin it here, so we can be seeing what we are doing. So for you to pin it, let's tap on top of this icon showing up there. So lock it. Once you lock it, it will not be moving again. So now the thing we have to do here for us to get this kind of YouTube banner, you have to get like a kind of precept. You understand? Like, let's see something that you can actually work to a prototype of how the YouTube banner interface will look like. So let's look for it. Let's go to gallery. So going to gallery, we are going to choose the, just looking for, okay, these are the presets to look like. Yes, so if you see, these are the YouTube banner will look like. So we can now start editing from it. So let's take this one. Yes, we are going to be taking this one. So let's increase the size so you can fit all the screen. Increase the size, relative size, so you can fit all the screen. Let's put it in the middle. Okay, yeah, so this is what we need. Let's see what we are doing. So let's bring this one to the front so you can be seeing what we are doing. Let's also lock this one so it will not move and break. Yes, so now what we need to do is for us to, can you see this? It has, this is how the desktop is going to look like. This is desktop max. If you edit it up to this kind of size, this rectangular size, that desktop max. Anybody once you log into a desktop, a computer, it will just fit like once you log in your YouTube on your computer, that is kind of size it's going to have, and your tablet, this is kind of size it's going to have. But this one we are doing a minimum and mobile desktop minimum, and a small desktop and a mobile phone. So you get, so let's start. We are going to input a shape. Let's do the shape. Let's input the shape. Make sure the shape is well fit in, and it's going to stop at the place where the minimum and mobile stopped. So because that is what we want to do. We want to do a YouTube banner for a minimum mobile, let's so that you can have a proper view from your phone. So let's view it if the thing is really fit in. Okay, I guess the thing is fit in. Okay, yes, the thing is fit in. So now we'll have to change the color of the white color. So for us to change the white color, we'll just tap on it, then go to color, activate the color, and let's change it to blue. Yes, this is the kind of blue we used. Yeah, the kind of blue we used. Yes. So you can see the thing is, I guess the thing is not well fit. So let's make the thing fit. Let's make it very, very fit. Okay. First, for you to make it fit, you go onto the position to do what you're supposed to do. Okay, let's leave it like this. I guess it is fit now. Okay, now we are going to head on to the image. We are going to put this image there. I want to put that image. Can you see the image we are putting now? This image. Can you see the way this one look like? So now I want to put the image. So the image, got you. Yeah, this is the image. So you have to make the image look in circle. Press the circle below. So by the time you press the circle, it's going to be like this. So you just need only from this top here, so it will be like this. So you just have to reduce the size. Just have to reduce the size to make it look very presentable. Okay, let's leave it like this. I guess this is what we are looking for. So we are going to make if you check this one very well, you will see the difference. Go ahead to look at this. So if you check this one where you see that the image has, okay, I guess the thing is not that can't really see it. Okay, let me make it bolder. And see the image is having like a stroke of red, somehow red, purple red color. So let's do the same thing with this image too. This is our image. We are just going to go on to stroke. On tap on stroke, activate the color. So we are going to be using this kind of color. I guess, yes, this color. We are going to use this color. We are going to reduce the stroke to 1, so it will not be, because as soon as you increase it, that is how the stroke will be. So we are going to be leaving it at 1. So let's mark it. So that is that for that. Now I want to write. We have to input another shape. So the shape in which we are going to be inputting, can you see the shape is just like a rectangle shape. So but we needed the radius and the angles to be at least carved a little bit. So we just have to increase the radius to at 10. Increase the radius to 10, then adjust it. Now once you adjust it, now you see is on it. It's not supposed to be on it, so we have to put it in front, so it will be just like this. Okay, now head on to the subscribe now. Yeah, I'm going to with telling you how you can even download. You can just go to Google to download all these kind of images. They are on Google, so once you go there you can download this image. So you just reduce it and make it fit on it. Let's reduce it a little bit. Let's reduce it a little bit and bring it here. We're still going to reduce it. Still be reducing it. Okay, maybe yes. So now that is that for that. We want to write the Ozie comedies. The Ozie, let's lock it. Anything you are doing, just be locking it. Understand? So the thing will not affect anything you are doing. You understand? So by the time you want to tap any other image, it's not just affect it. So we are going to be pressing Ozie comedies. Ozie comedies. We are going to be writing Ozie comedies in capital letter. Ozie comedies. This one. Okay. Now the Ozie comedies is just going to be like this. So we are going to be using this font that the pixellab have. Though there's a way we can download fonts, but I'm using the one in which the pixellab has. You understand? So the font, we are going to be using this font chunk 5. We'll be using the font so it will be like this. So we have to change the color to be that red. You understand? Yes, so let's change. We have changed the color now to be red. Now this is what we are going to do. For the thing to be like, just look like that, you just head on your header to this place. So put your header, it is at the back of the C, then press enter on your keyboard so the thing can come down. Go here and space, your space bar, using a space bar here for us to be able to move it so that it can look exactly like this. So now just have to just reduce the size to around 20. We're using the size to 20. Okay, let's just see 25. Let's see how 25 look. Okay, let's bring it down. You know, if you're using your hand to adjust this thing, you might not get what you're looking for. You just have to use this motion. Once you're using this motion, just if you increase this thing, it will go very fast, but if you reduce it, it will go as slow as it can. So let's say we are done for this Ozie comedies. And what is remaining now? What is remaining? The only thing that's remaining here is the "you are welcome" and the other "subscribe." You are welcome. So this "you are welcome," we just head down to write "you are welcome." You are welcome. So this "you are welcome," you go to font. You want to change the size, the font of it. So let's use, yes, I use the okay, let's use something like this. You are welcome. Then you come here, you edit the stuff and leave space in between everything. You're going to be leaving space in between everything again, so as to get what we are looking for. Okay, so the fonts I used, because many of you might be confused, the font I used is Corprum Regular. So that's what I used. Let's continue. So we just have to just small it, reduce the size, make it reduced to at least 10. Let's make it as 15, then move it to this place. Okay, let's increase the size to 20. let's move it to this place. Okay, yeah, welcome. Then we need the other subscribe, the other subscribe, the other subscribe. So I'll make it look exactly like it's this other subscribe. So you just to make this one smaller, you have to reduce the size appropriately and make sure it is being added properly. So you still have to reduce the size because this your subscribe is not supposed to. Can you see the mark here, this hand mark, this hand, this mark here, this hand mark? So you can see it's overshooting the blue header. It's overshooting it, the border, I mean to say it's overshooting. So you must not overshoot it, if not the hand won't show in your YouTube channel banner. So you just have to reduce it a little bit. Okay, let's reduce it. You have to reduce the size. Here is the size. We're going to reduce it a little bit to 10. Remove the position so it won't affect. You get, so it won't affect. Just going to reduce it. So can you see? I think we are almost there. So this is how it's going to look like. Now if you see this one which is okay, this one which we are following, if you see this, our Ozie comedies, can you see it? Can you see it? Can you see it's the same, but it's only one thing that is remaining now. It's for us to add the background. You understand? The background, you need to change the background. You understand? So that background, for you to do the background, just for you to add another shape again. You understand? Just for you to add another shape, then you bring all the rest to the front, add another shape. Yes, this one, once you add the shape, you change the color. Okay, okay, let's add shape. I guess before you add the shape, for it to be able to fit it, you have let's merge all these pictures together so they can be one. So for us to merge all the pictures together, we are not going to merge the one we are using as example. We're going to merge the ones that is on the banner. So how to do that? You see this icon here, tap on it, then under here you tap under here, then you select those one you want to add together. This subscribe, you are welcome, Ozie comedy, subscribe, this one, okay, this one, I guess, okay, this one too. I guess we are done. Then press OK. Understand? So you are done. So you have to just go back to that picture and put the picture in front. Put this picture in front so that at least you want to change the color to yellow, discount yellow, then bring this one to the front.
So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, yes, please kindly subscribe, like, comment and share this video. Make sure you subscribe, you tap on the notification button to be able to be getting so that in case any video that drop, you can get some videos, you can be the first person to watch the video. You understand? So thank you and God bless you.